Let me put this foot lower. So it can slow down as much as you need to. Nope, doesn't change. Ooh, this one's tough. Yes. So good. With that start. I'll try 3 again. Is that too much? Let's go straight down to this side. Star.
This side star?
Yeah, so straddle.
Okay.
I'm gonna bend and just place it. Let's roll through some stuff. Ooh, that is the wrong way for my foot.
Okay.
That's gonna work though. That can do it. Okay, yeah, let's go there. That's a good idea. That's a lovely idea.
I love it. What else can we do here besides trapdoor?
I know. Well, you go sideways instead.
I could whip through.
To.
If you bend your knees out to the side.
Right? Gotcha. His shoulders stand.
Okay.
There's also posture.
I'm going to do Pashi and then back to back. Fine.
Is that too high? Okay. Oh, shit. Should I bend some more? That's so good.